Today I am reviewing the Corsair Vengeance, a 7500 gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the link below the video. If you're searching for a powerhouse gaming PC that truly stands out in both performance and design, the Corsair Vengeance 7500 is an impressive contender that checks all the boxes. This rig is built around some of the best modern components, combining cutting-edge hardware with a sleek, liquid-cooled design to ensure you get the most out of your gaming and creative workloads. Starting at the heart of the system, the AMD Ryzen 7800X3D CPU is a beast for gaming and multitasking. Thanks to its advanced 3D V-cache technology, this processor delivers remarkable single-threaded and multi-threaded performance that translates into smooth gameplay even in the most demanding AAA titles. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or creating content, this CPU handles it effortlessly, giving you headroom for intense workloads without breaking a sweat. Paired with the CPU, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 GPU is a next-generation graphics card powered by NVIDIA's Blackwell architecture. This card brings revolutionary AI features such as DLSS 4, which boosts frame rates while maintaining stunning image quality. You'll experience crisp visuals, smooth motion, and the ability to push ultra settings in most modern games at high resolutions. Content creators will also appreciate the NVIDIA Studio enhancements that accelerate rendering, video editing, and graphic design, making this PC a versatile powerhouse. Cooling is where the Corsair Vengeance, a 7500 shines, equipped with a robust liquid cooling system designed to keep the Ryzen 7800X3D operating at peak efficiency without overheating or excessive noise. The PC's chassis is the stylish Corsair 7500X ARGB mid-tower case, featuring tempered glass panels that showcase the internal components bathed in vibrant RGB lighting. This case also ensures excellent airflow, with multiple fans positioned strategically at the side, rear, and roof, all working in harmony to maintain optimal temperatures during marathon gaming sessions or heavy multitasking. When it comes to memory, this system comes loaded with 32 GB of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, running at lightning-fast speeds. This high-performance memory is optimized for AMD processors and adds a dynamic aesthetic to the build with its vibrant, customizable RGB lighting. The 32 GB capacity ensures seamless multitasking, smooth gameplay, and quick loading times for your most demanding applications. Storage is another highlight, boasting a speedy 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD that dramatically reduces boot times, game loading screens, and file transfers. You'll appreciate the ample space for your games, creative projects, and essential files, plus the high-speed interface keeps everything running snappy and responsive. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance, a 7500, is an exceptional gaming PC that doesn't just look great, but performs at the highest level. Its combination of liquid cooling, powerful Ryzen CPU, next-gen RTX GPU, fast DDR5 memory, and spacious NVMe storage makes it a solid investment for gamers and content creators alike. Whether you're aiming for competitive gaming, immersive AAA titles, or creative work that demands horsepower, this rig is ready to deliver with style and reliability. If you want a gaming PC that balances raw power with modern aesthetics and intelligent cooling, the Corsair Vengeance, a 7500, is definitely worth considering. It's built to last, perform, and impress.